How to earn full-time income from dividends. How to make full-time income from dividends. Can you replace your job just by investing in dividends and buying share? Do you want to earn just by sitting at home and doing nothing? Everyone wants it, right? Hi, this is the Financial Educator, where we provide you with helpful information about finances, investing and income. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get informed when we release a new video. Lastly, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's move on to our video. Today I will tell you how you can make more and more money just by buying shares or investing in dividends and doing absolutely nothing. Buying shares and earning your full-time income from them is a very tricky task. Most of the time you can get loss and all of your money will be wasted. You will be left with nothing in the end. My first advice for this will be, don't ever invest your whole income or savings into dividends. There is nothing fast or flashy about dividend investing, but that is okay. Not every financial strategy needs to be super exciting and making a lot of money from shortcut methods. With dividend investing, you can relax and let the cash flow into your account. It is one of the simplest and safest ways to make money, but if you do it the right way. However, there are also pitfalls if you do it the wrong way. So you should learn some basics before trying out dividend investing for yourself. Once you have learned the fundamentals, you will be ready to start planning out your long-term game plan. Now let's get into our main topic, which is how you can earn your full-time income just by doing nothing. As you know that dividends pay you off annually and also a very little amount of money. Then how you can earn your full-time income from it. Just for example, if you are earning $50,000 per year, then you have to make that money from dividends to earn full-time income and replace your job. Now, let's see if a company is paying you 2% profit for your share and you buy $100 share of that company, then you will get only $2 at the end of the year. That's not enough to earn full-time income. Even if you buy $5,000 of shares, then your earning from 2% will be only $100. These are still not enough to replace your income. To replace your job from which you are earning $50,000 a year, you have to invest in dividends at least more than $2 millions. Not every company pays you 2% of their company. Some companies pay more and some less. Different companies have different payout rates. As AT&T pays 7% to your bought shares annually. Verizon Communications pay 4%, Pepsi 2.9%, and McDonald's 2.5% annually. Now, how you can make more money from dividends to replace your annual income. If you don't know, then stock dividends tend to grow over time, unlike the interest from bonds. That is one of the main reasons why stocks should be a part of portfolio of every investor. Furthermore, dividend growth has historically outpaced inflation. For those investors with a long timeline, this fact can be used to create a portfolio that is strictly for dividend income living. Investing your money in dividend to create more and more money and also to make your full-time income is a long-term process. You won't start earning your full-time income in 6 months or 1 year. To earn your full-time income, you have to keep investing at least for 5 years or even decades. First of all, how dividends work? When large companies make profits, they can spend that money on things that could make the company better. Examples would be equipment upgrades, advertising, and researching new products. However, not all profits will be spent this way. When a company do that, their stock price increase, eventually you are getting profit and making more money anyway. This increase in stock price takes years. For example, if you have brought $200 stock and company makes profit and invest that money into upgrading their company, then the stock you bought for $200 will go up to $400. This is also the way to make more money beside just by getting a specific percentage of profit. Some companies choose to take a portion of their profits and reward their loyal stockholders with a cash payment. It is a nice way to show appreciation to the shareholders who are really part owners of the company. Dividends are these cash payments, and they are usually paid every 3 months. But sometimes the payment is at different intervals. A smart strategy for people who are still saving for retirement is to use those dividends to buy more shares of stock in firms. That way, they will receive even more dividends and be able to buy even more shares. All of you have to do is to take a little amount from your monthly salary and buy some shares. You can buy shares per month or even week. I will say that just keep on buying shares with a specific interval of time if you want to make more and more money from dividends. For example, assume you bought 1,000 shares of a stock that traded for $100 for a total investment of $100,000. The stock has a 3% dividend yield, so you received $3 per share over the past year, which is $3,000 in dividends. You then take the dividends and buy more stock, so your total investment is $103,000. Assume the stock price doesn't move much, but the company increases its dividend by 6% a year. In the second year, you will get a dividend yield of 3.18% on $103,000 for a dividend of about $3,275. However, that is a yield on cost of about 3.28%. This dividend reinvestment strategy continues to increase the yield on cost over time. After 20 years, you will receive more than $24,289 a year in dividends. Now, as you can see that this is a long-term process. There is one thing that I would like to tell you now is that just don't invest your money in a single company. Invest in different companies that have different payout rates per annual to make more money. There is also another and important reason to it that why you should not invest your money in a single company. Now, let's suppose you have bought a $100 share of a company. This company, instead of making profit annually, it faces loss. Then automatically its stock price will decrease. The share of this company that you bought for $100 now have worth of only $50. By this, now you are making money from $50 as per their payout rate. Just don't invest your income in a single company as you can face loss and your money will be wasted. Invest in different companies to maximize your income. To make more money from dividends, there is one more strategy which is known as DRIP, as Dividends Reinvestment Plan. Now the question is how that works. For an extra potential profit boost, you could reinvest your dividend payouts. That means taking your dividend cash payments and, as soon as possible, buying more shares of that same stock. If you have invested $3,000 in stocks and through the 3% payout rate you have made extra $100, then use this money again to buy more stocks. If you have bought more stock, then you will own $3,100 worth shares. Some brokers can do this automatically for you. Then you are leveraging what known as compounding, which means using your accumulated money to make even more money over time. That was all for this video. If you have any question or want us to cover a specific topic about finance, investment or income, please leave a comment. Alright, that does it. See you in the next video.